In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create real covers in 2025 using Canva. Whether you're a content creator looking to add a professional touch to your social media presence, or simply want to showcase your creativity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and start making those eye-catching covers. First things first, you'll need to open Canva in your web browser. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic user-friendly design tool that offers a wide range of customizable templates for many uses, including creating reel covers. Once you're logged into Canva, in the search bar at the top of the page, type in reel cover. This will bring up a variety of templates designed specifically for reel covers. Take your time to browse through the available templates. The array of options may surprise you, but look for one that resonates with your brand or the message you wish to convey. Once you've made your choice, click on the template. This will open it up for editing. Now that you have your template open, you'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click this to enter the editor, where you can start tailoring the template to fit your needs. Begin by editing the text. You can change the words to suit the theme of your reel, and feel free to experiment with the font style and color to ensure it matches your desired aesthetic. With the text set, next, navigate to the left-hand side of the Canva editor and click on Uploads. This is where you can add your personal touch to the reel cover by including your own images. If you haven't already uploaded images to Canva, you can drag and drop files directly from your computer into this section. Just find the image you're intending to use and drop it into the upload area. Once your image is uploaded, drag and drop it onto the template. With the image placed on your canvas, simply right-click on it. This will open up several options, and you'll want to select Replace Background. This feature will automatically fit your image to the background, seamlessly integrating it into the design. It's an easy and effective way to ensure your cover looks polished and professional. With these simple steps, you're now ready to finalize your creation. Before downloading, take a moment to review your design. Ensure everything is aligned and visually pleasing. Once satisfied, click on the download button located at the top right corner of the screen. Your reel cover is now ready to be used on social media or any platform of your choosing, and there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning reel cover using Canva. With these skills, you can continue to explore and create unique designs for all your content needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.